Hey guys, this is Bobby at East Carolina Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Greenville, North Carolina. Been a while since I've done a longer video. I've been kind of focusing on shorts and TikTok and that sort of thing. So trying to grow my social media presence, and it's kind of wild. I don't know. I get a lot of comments that, I mean, it's engagement, so whatever, but seems to be a lot of hate for the Chrysler Dodge Jeep line. But of course, I've been selling it a long time, and I know there's some folks that love it, some folks that hate it, and of course, you know, we're always getting the social media kickback. No matter what sort of product you represent, you're going to have people that are going to say whatever they want to say. But I hop back into a long form here just to show you what the least expensive Jeep Wrangler is on the lot right now. This is a two-door sport with the 4-cylinder turbo, soft top. You can see it's got your basic steel wheels here. I kind of look at a Jeep like this as a canvas to be painted on, because you know, as basic as it is, that's kind of one of the perks of a Jeep. You can dress it up the way you want. You can take these wheels and add your own aftermarket wheels. You know, this will fit up to about a 32 or 33 inch wheel, depending on how actually tall that tire is. And then, you know, you can add all kinds of accessories, light bars. You can take the soft top and turn it into a different type of top. I mean, they're really very versatile in all the accessories and sort of upfits that you have available. People put lifts and turn these into off-road machines, and this is about the least expensive way to do it. So a few things that I'll point out that I think are important if you are just starting to look for a Jeep. These 26s do have some upgrades that really have been upgraded since 2024, but they did add a feature that I think is pretty nice, which is the quick release door hinge. So when you go to release this now, you can see the little pin down here is different. That pin basically makes it to where you don't need any extra tools to be able to take the hinge part off. You can leave that in place. You still got to take your panel off here and unclip it from the wire harness. So once you do that, you roll down your window, you reach through the window, you grab up underneath here, and you can lift the door off the pins, because underneath here you've got your ability to lift that pin out of that hinge and be able to take that door off, so you can ride with a little more open air freedom. The soft top is pretty easy to take off. I'm going to attempt in this video to do it one-handed, but you know, ultimately people love to ride these Jeeps in the open air, and today you do have what looks like it might be a gray day, could rain, and that's one of the things with the soft top is, you know, you're going to have all of the things, all the panels with you to be able to put back on. If you leave your hard tops sitting at the house, and you got a chance of having no coverage if it suddenly rains. And you can see back here with the soft top, you do kind of have a disadvantage compared to the hard top, because if you want to be able to get to your cargo stuff, you know, you got to take this and you can roll it out of its little position and be able to slide it out of the way. But if you want to have that extra height as far as the coverage to be able to pull in something a little bigger, you're going to have to take this hard top or this panel off, and you can see that just rolls out. And then you have little sliders here. I'm just going to pull them because I am one-handed, but you can pull those out. There's no longer zippers on these, so that's one of the advantages, is you can just kind of pull it and then it slides. So it's got a little slide tool underneath here, which when you slide it off, you've got the little piece there that it slides out, and then that little tip makes it easier to be able to slide it out of the way. But if you need to get something in the back, you know, you can lift it up like that, or you can roll it up. You know, some people will keep some Velcro straps so they can more easily do that. But just something to be aware of. If you're getting a soft top, know that you're going to be a little limited on your cargo space and the accessibility that you have there. But when you're ready to take the side panels off, You can kind of start here and start to peel it. Fairly easy to peel away. You just take it along the creases here. And this is just one way to do it. I'm doing it one-handed, so a little different method than I normally show people how to do this. But then this little panel comes unhooked, and you can see it just snaps off from there. It got a little clip that it stays on. So this one, you can just pull it right out of that slider, but I'm going to slide it because this is a brand new Jeep, and I'm not trying to mess it up. But if you're doing something real quick here, then it's pretty easy to just pull it and end up having that panel very easy to just pull it out. So again, doing this one-handed, I should have maybe got somebody to hold the camera for me, but I'm gonna just pull around here and we'll do the other side. And of course, if it does start to rain, I may have to stop this so I can quickly put the top back on. You can see we got a couple little raindrops, nothing major, but we're in North Carolina and we live sort of near swampland and partially near the coast. There's a little Velcro that basically anytime we get a chance of rain, something like this, probably a little more dangerous to do, but living dangerously today. All right, so got that panel down. You can see it kind of does take up some room to be able to put those panels back there, but if it's just two of you, which in a two-door probably going to be the case most of the time, very easy to just pop them in that back seat. You can see I just slid that right out. All right, got those panels in. And as far as the top removal, very easy here. Take your latches. Those are disconnected, and the nice way it folds out of the way is pretty sweet because it's spring loaded for the most part, and you can do this one-handed, but of course a little bit easier when you got somebody to help you out. And then you got your little latch back here, so you can see the little latch if the lighting was better, but you pull down on that and that'll allow you to slide it on down, and in a one-handed fashion we got that soft top down and we are ready to roll and enjoy the nice weather. So I'm gonna hop in this Jeep, start it up. Of course, with our Black Friday savings event we've got going on, you can end up saving about $4 or $5 grand off of these. They're already in an inexpensive price point, but you can see how easy it is to get it to be open air. I'm not going to take the doors off because that would just be a whole nother scenario. You got to have somewhere to put those, but you can fold down the windshield and ultimately make this into a little dune buggy if you want. You can fish right out of the Jeep, or you can take your camera and go on an adventure and not have glass in your way when you're ready to take a picture. It's all kinds of things that you can make this Jeep into, make it more of an adventure vehicle, and it's just a great looking vehicle. It's an iconic look, so hard to beat the Jeep aesthetic. I think that forever, from the time that it was popular back in the 70s, that this aesthetic won't go away because people love it so much. The Jeep Wrangler is iconic, and of course has a lot of benefits compared to what they were back when the CJ7s, the CJ5s were a lot nicer riding vehicle, but still being capable in your off-road capability. So it's a part-time four-wheel drive system. You engage it with a shifter and locks it into four-wheel drive. It's rear-wheel drive primarily, and just a really sporty feeling vehicle. And a two-door in particular, really easy to park. Turn radius on both the 4-door and the 2-door are really tight, and so you can nearby park these 2 doors inside a little 2 parking spots. You can nearby turn the Jeep all the way around in a 360. So just really neat vehicles, and just wanted to show you how easy it would be to take it from the top up to the top down with one hand. I'm holding my phone here, so it is possible to do it with just one hand. I don't know how easy it was to see what I was doing, but you got other videos where people are going over it and have camera angles to show you where everything is. In fact, Jeep even makes a nice video that shows you how to take down your soft top. But let me know what you think. If you be interested in this Jeep, of course, let me know. I do sell these things here at East Carolina Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Greenville, North Carolina. And it's Bobby, and I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. Be safe. See y'all next time.